Hello, my name is Bobby Sue, and I started painting these sticks. A lot of people ask, well, why are you painting these sticks? So, well, this is a stick for your thoughts. And you can look at it, and you can see one side is the color black, and the other side has this gold or glitter. I also have this line where you can twirl the stick in your hand, but it all has to do with what you're thinking or how you're feeling. So let's say this teenage girl had a boyfriend and he left for her best friend. Well, she would receive this stick and she would be sad on this end. Her mind is thinking, man, what tragedy. But if she could realize that she could just turn her thought really, really, really fast, she would take the stick and she would concentrate on wanting to feel better because, maybe she thinks, maybe it's for the best. So she can work her way to thinking something completely different and work her way to thinking, it was meant to be. This wasn't supposed to work out anyways, and I hope their relationship works out. And then you get to the glitter part and you think, you know what? There's somebody better. So the glitter part really, helps you out. So you got abundance and the absence of abundance. And all the sticks. So this one stick can represent many other things. It can represent money. Man, I don't have enough money. Work your way up. There's always money flowing to me, like amazingly flowing to me. It's, love. I don't receive any love. I give love all the time, There's love in love. It could be anything. Each stick, it could just change and you don't even have to twirl it in your hands or anything. Just, sit it on there. But I like to give these to people that I know, and I like to tell them the story, and they really, really appreciate it. They think it's really cool. But, my thing is I like to paint them, and I like to help people that, are in the need of help. But I've painted stick upon stick upon stick. I have an addiction to painting sticks, and all of them are a little different. Some of them have a ladder that you climb up, but all mean the same thing. And sometimes, if you just take a stick and you just want to feel better about what you're thinking, well, what's something that you like to think about that really is glitter for you, like baby kitties or baby puppies or babies? It could be unicorns or, sliding on a rainbow. It is anything that makes you happy. But once you activate one end of the stick, this end of the stick, all the other sticks, they light up for you. So it's quite a really cool thing. And one of my friends had asked me recently, well, Bobby Sue, why are you painting sticks? And I said, because they're free. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. One day I'll get these on there and probably sell them. Maybe one day, if you ever meet me, I'll give you one. All right, thank you.